Hello everyone. So in this particular lecture we will add some effect to our previous video. So let's start our lecture series. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go on effect section. Just click on effect and you will be here. Okay, and after that basically, so first of all let's play this video. Now it is looking too much simple, so let's add some smoke behind me. Okay, so let's add a smoke effect between me and my background. So let's add, type search smoke and hit the enter button, and here you will see many kind of smoke. So first of all, let me show you. This is your video layer and this is your background layer. ठीक है, you have to drag and drop your smoke effect between them. Okay, and from here, from this plus icon, you can add n number of video track and audio track. Like this is your one video track, you can add another video track here, you can add another video track here, you can add audio track here. Okay, so here you can see this 4 layer stands for video layer. So we can drag and drop any video element or image element to this layer. Okay, so let's move forward. Now I have to drag and drop any smoke to this region. Basically I have to drag and drop between these two layers. So just drag and drop here, and obviously we can adjust its length. Now you can see that in screen behind me there is smoke. So smoke have been imported successfully between me and my background. So let's play this video. And also, if you want to change setting of smoke, then you have to double click on it, and from here you can delete your smoke or deactivate from here, or you can adjust its transparency from here. So let's set it to the 83 and hit the OK button. And after that I want to add another smoke effect here. So let's select this smoke, I will drag and drop here, and now I will adjust its length. Now if I will play this video, then you will see our smoke is too much bright and it is not matching with its background. So let's lower the transparency of smoke. Now it is looking natural. Now before playing this video, make sure to click on this preview icon, because so when you will click on preview button, it will render whole media, so that you can watch a smooth playback experience. Otherwise your experience will be too much laggy. Now let's play this video. And also you can use another effect we will discuss later on our video. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then give me good rating and please give me good comment. Okay, bye bye.